Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active 4G SIM and sufficient battery. Insert the SIM and power on the hotspot. Once done, note the default SSID and admin password printed on the label. You should also place the device near a window or higher location to improve signal strength. While it boots, open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop so you can connect as soon as the network appears. This saves time and gets you online quickly. Once connected, open the admin interface in your browser and log in. Change the admin password right away to secure the device. Next, rename the SSID to something memorable and enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption so unauthorized users cannot join. Then verify the APN matches your carrier settings. If it doesn't, update it. This ensures the device registers correctly on the 4G LTE network. Finally, save settings and reboot the hotspot so all changes apply. And to finish, check connection speed and watch signal bars. Move the hotspot a few feet or to a higher spot if speeds are slow. Make sure firmware is up to date in the admin panel because updates often resolve stability and performance issues. If you still lose internet, restart the device and your client devices, and then verify your carrier is not experiencing outages. If problems persist, reset to factory defaults only after noting custom settings, then reconfigure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.